Hello, lovely people. It's your boy James here. I'm just a regular dad who stumbled into the world of YouTube. And boy, what a wild ride it's been. So what do? I make videos about being a dad. I share the ups and downs of raising kids, the tantrums, the triumphs, and everything in between. It's real, it's raw, and apparently, it's relatable. 2 weeks ago, I had 0 subscribers. Today, I've hit 2,000. It's bonkers. How did this happen? Well, that's what I'm here to tell you. Buckle up, folks. This is going to be a fun ride. There were times I wanted to quit, times I thought, who wants to watch a middle-aged dad make dad jokes? Turns out a lot of people do. So let's dive in and I'll spill all my secrets. Let's get real for a second. Starting a YouTube channel is tough. It's like shouting into a void. You pour your heart out and crickets, no views, no likes, no subscribers. I remember my first video. I spent hours filming and editing. I thought it was gold. I hit publish and waited. After a week, I had 3 views. 3! And I'm pretty sure 2 of those were my mom. It was crushing. But here's the thing. Everyone starts at 0. Even the big YouTubers. They didn't wake up one day with millions of subscribers. They worked for it, they struggled, they persevered. And that's what I decided to do too. I wasn't going to let a few setbacks stop me. Now, you might be wondering, James, why mom content? You're a dad. Well, let me tell you, it wasn't planned, it just happened. And it happened because moms are awesome. They're the unsung heroes of the family, and they deserve to be celebrated. My videos started as dad content, but I quickly realized that moms were my biggest audience. They were the ones commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Why? Because they saw themselves in my struggles, they laughed at my mistakes, they appreciated my honesty. There's something universal about parenting. The sleepless nights, the messy meal times, the epic diaper disasters, we all go through it. And sometimes all we need is to know we're not alone. That's what my videos do. They show the real, unfiltered side of parenting, and moms, they're hungry for this content. Every YouTuber has that one video, the one that blows up unexpectedly, the one that changes everything. For me, it was a video called "I Tried My Wife's Daily Routine" and failed miserably. Let me tell you, it was a disaster, but a hilarious one. I decided to do everything my wife does in a day. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. I was a mess from the start. I burned breakfast, flooded the laundry room, and somehow managed to get glitter glue in my hair during craft time. It was chaos. But here's the thing, people loved it. They saw themselves in my struggles, they laughed at my failures, and most importantly, they shared it. The video went viral overnight. I woke up to thousands of views, hundreds of comments, and a subscriber count that was skyrocketing. That video was a turning point. So, how did I do it? How did I go from 0 to 2,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks? Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Actually, 3 secrets. Are you ready? Here they are: consistency, authenticity, and engagement. That's it. That's the magic formula. First, consistency. I posted every single day for 2 weeks straight. Rain or shine, tired or energetic, I made a video. It wasn't always easy. There were days I wanted to quit, but I pushed through, and it paid off. People started to expect my videos. They looked forward to them. Second, authenticity. I never tried to be someone I'm not. I'm just a regular dad trying to figure things out. And that's what I showed in my videos. The real me, warts and all. No filters, no scripts, just pure, unfiltered dad life. And people connected with that. So there you have it, folks. My journey from 0 to 2,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. It's been a wild ride. But you know what? I wouldn't change a thing, because this journey has taught me so much. Not just about YouTube, but about parenting, about life, and about myself. And now, I want to pass that knowledge on to you. Yes, you. The mom who's reading this and thinking, I could never do that. Let me tell you something, you absolutely can. You have stories to tell, you have experiences to share, and there are people out there who need to hear them. So, what are you waiting for? Grab that camera, start that channel, share your story. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's better if it's not.